Hey, welcome back. 24.windsor. As you know, we have been using the Starlink for over a year now, almost 2 years. And so far it has been working great. We had it temporarily up on a little mound on the hill right there. And then after we built the cabin, we put it on the roof, mounted on the roof. It's been working great. However, one of the things that we realize is that when Starlink says, listen, the dish, you must have clear sky, it means clear sky everywhere. East, west, north, south, right? So the way we have set it up now, it's kind of pointing north, but the issue we're having is that there's a tree in that general direction that is kind of creating some obstructions, and that is causing a lot of delays and drops. This is what it looks like. So we have to relocate the dish because we don't plan to cut down the tree. All right. So we're going to relocate the dish and put it up on this hill over here. That should give it better, clearer view of the sky and hopefully better response. So currently the issue that we're having is that, especially when it comes to video and streaming, that's where we have the issue. Our the voice calls will drop, video calls will drop when when there's a break, right? So Starlink actually tells us, well, the app tells us that we'll see a break every three or so minutes. So I guess it's based on how the Starlink works. It can calculate when it will lose access to the satellite flying over before it has to switch to a new satellite. So I guess it will take about 3 minutes for it to see the next satellite is passing by. All right, so we're going to relocate. So in the next couple of weeks, we should have that done. And then we can do some more testing and tell you what the performance is like once we get that done. Although we're still getting like 150 megabits per second, but as I said, it keeps dropping. All right, so we'll keep you posted.